Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kinongilam jong kahanyo trap Integrated Territorial Organization bat ka Jantia Women Council mentaka sngi ka arpu artrik urisaw arajar arpu saw kila tor sa Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ban penpau yung jing persya jongki halor jing penlong yung public hearing yang kini sngi ke beradam. Nakalyang kinongilam jong kini seng hadin ke jing kren bat ke magister kila yo ban let ye kendo yo member secretary jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board u Dr. G.H. Charmang MFS but IT hau ye ka dorkas. Habaya keren bat kinong thok khubor hadin ke jing ye kendo bat u member secretary nakalyang president ke Hito u ba Donbok Dakar uloong. Bakat kum ke jing temu bat ke jing mut jongki banyak kendo yo member secretary nakalyang jongki kila yo ban IT ru ye ka dorkas hau bat ula Kular ban penpoino ya ka Delhi ha kini kisngi. U presiden jong Hito ula benrap de kabaong banakalyang jong ka sengkal aipor shitayo bat Lada kimyo ya ka jubab kinsa shongjing yelang ban shim de kiwei pat kisen jam ki bakam ting e. Shushu ula ongru bakin sa pet ka e ka ban mi na ka jing ai jing tho bat Lada kambyang ka jubab kin sedang shwar ka jing Ïakhih bat Lada kampoi sya e kin sa let ka high court bat ka Hito habakala sedang kan penkot bait. Nakalyong member secretary jong Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board uba Charmang habaya keren bat kinong thok khubor hadin ke jing kendo bat kinong elam ke Hito ke JWC bat ke MIWC ulaya tho bakini kinong elam gila IT ke dor khas hau ban pentip bahaga tu ke sngi ba penlong ke public hearing jong ke mega top cement kim shim layo lat ban yeshim benta haga tu ke public hearing bat bo jing keli halor ke jing don benta jong ke bot ha ka ban kalyang jong ula pensyai ba kim don benta hinroi de tang ban yarap ki deputy commissioner bat ki wei ki ban benta lang lani ki bre ki bala pha de office jong u deputy commissioner shisholia tho ru ba baro ka shong haga Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change balu ya thoru ba yigini ki jing ujor na kalyang jongki kin sa pha sa ministry but kinogino ki ba ki jing ptha ki mami nakani ka tanat kin sa pentim.
Yeah, as you must have seen, we have received prior information that Hitos along with other two NGOs, they are coming for sit-in demonstration, and we are also prepared to see if there is any untoward incidents, and we don't want untoward incidents to happen, and the same has been informed to the competent authority, for which you must have seen security magistrate have been provided. And then it was quite a peaceful protest. We appreciate the NGOs in this case. And after that, they have come to my office with a memorandum or a complaint letter informing us that on the day the public hearing was held pertaining to the megatop cements, the same was held on the 18th. They have informed us verbally as well as in black and white that they were deprived of attending the said public hearing, and they were asking us as to what role did we play to stop them from attending. I have made a very clear-cut clarification to them that we don't have a role to play beyond the stage or the platform. Our role is to assist the Deputy Commissioner or any other representative nominated by the Deputy Commissioner in this particular case, in which the EDM Babaji was nominated. So he was the one presiding over the public hearing, and we assisted him. So our presence at the entry or anywhere is not mandatory, or rather the subject matter does not belong to this office. That was the clarification we have given.
What about the demand to reconduct the hearing?
That as to this demand reconducting a public hearing, we have no authority to reconduct because the same has already been completed. But the case of appraisal lies with the authority of the MOEF, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So whatever complaint you have given, we will be forwarding the same complaint to MOEF. So taking a final call is up to the competent authority. And regarding reconducting, we are bound to comply. So any order which comes from the higher authority, we are bound to comply.
Any deadline they have given to you?
No such deadline, but we try our best to get the things disposed in the shortest of time. So whatever representation they have sent, we will be forwarding it to the concerned authority within the shortest of time we can.
Katkum ka jing thumu ka jing mut ka jungi pangini kando yo member secretary manai dorkas ante call biang te nakalyang jungu la shim ka to ta dorkas bo la ai commitment pun poin no sudah li hapo kini ki sni te inak lang kejungi ngila ai por di stayo hakani ka po stayo lada kampoi kata ka jubab da kani ka office na ni na po employee minsa syong ka sisi bakar ke arangkat bat district bakar pengen sebat kini ki nanti ki ban Ïakhih haba ya dai ban Phah penlong yang ya kata public hearing ante po wa jar la ne po DC office jangka Eastern Hills te nakalian jung to ong ai ka full commitment ba kin pendap bat kin Phah ru ba ya kata ka appraisal naki shaki khanang ba kin sa jubab pat ya kata ba kin recall bam Phah recall ru phat kadang long ya ka jubab kadang long 50-50 lada la ne mla entan dalam wan kata ka Shithi sangi ka bang yo jubab kata MOEF angkat ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board
Oi, sin ba ngilaya don hang nilai kan hun te mut ngilaya hab ha bai don ka jingmun te ngila pediang ya kata kumba la ai ka commitment na liang jong chief secretary jong ka yu member secretary jong ka Mspcb te ngila pediang ya kata mut ngila ai por ba kin penpoi ya kata ka Shithi sha MOUF te ngin ap hadok kita ki por ba ki la ya bo ban ka nama dia ka jimpentip hi hado next week ini ya ka jimpentip na yang jongki ba ka ai ka jubab baki yo nanti
Isenja mungkin sem ada kejubah ke pio ke bamhun.
ya kata ngin sekra ya kata ka kumbang pi haba kadang long 50-50 ada kin le na ya kata ngin sekran kan kata ka badang hadin ta
ngin sampai ya ka response
mati dang saklau ni terwadi temlong kata temlalong
timanta
Pornem kalau si
ni tinggal abu por bista yo tanah kalian jengki kin dah hagine isi siar sini kin le no ta ni ibu baca tak poklut apo istayo kamut lada kambiang ka jubab na bro arliang kawai ngin stang sa ka jingi ki ka baar ta ka high court ka laplu pai bat ka jingi ya ka jingi le kelasang bat ngin penkot hiro bat kumang pilai na kapor ka Hito sini ko kalau ka ang le chakot tangi dale hiro pek tangkan nuksa habi ada ka reservation ha higher studies mangila ele ban ye kon ba ngiyo hiro ya jubab naka goma ta kan tangi de ban yo pek kum ko nuksa ka ko bancia banjin bangim da samit stay kitu ki mafia ki lastang sa pen blok ya surop Andre ya kataru ka sarkar ka le manla banjin da do blok ML01 hang to kamut umdan bakran yaki he ki laj de Andre lada ki wan per ki konhun ki ban pensha keren ya ko hok kimi ki mafia kimi ki gang klem da kho kerteng kla I mena khane biki gang ki phat ki bla de psa kem teng hero ki de gitu ki ba be bisa to pemblok iglit ti sengkian tengah kermen skem begitu ki para do prasnam jingi ki para dieng rak lati tiap katu kesan spa sejar jongki lada katri kam ke FAR ka bengi Phah saka DJP han lada psa kem lai phau sha pi habandot na kato sibu phi asan spa pi habandot lai phau jar tang ka bai takan mau kaspa ka phau kanumla nya dai pi namar ka an hi katri kam yo bro phai banjin ba ngi smo ba phi dei ki nong wai adu tu ka singi la po ya bam pram ni tan ring dang I je bisa bar ya kala ka bomot swaban mi kano kom saw ka ba mi haban ya bam pram ni namar bitip sai ba ka Hito sin hi kla kran kumot nginum kan ran den tangi kermen banang ni brok hoi we no pu we nong song snong jong ka bri nyo trap khot jong ka jikin reu yada ya ka mai ka mariang namar ba bar jalahi ula bat body kene khando la ni re kintin nong we khang kila riep ji kene kme ka jongi habaki kpa ka jongi kita ki rang ba snong ta ki doloi kisha bi ka kme jongi pan sha riep ni kum ki khon samla khon jong ka bri nyo trap ni dei ban yang men sem sin rang ban yale na banta ban yadai kme jongi ka shibon shejan
Edon ko ini sekali. Wah, betul ring mesti sakit juga ba.
balik kan don ka jing ka kan don jing le yu la de ki support makna hang tu ru ndrei ya kata ka rukom long dang ba snong jongki hatu kila bo je tak smart ka jongki ka jing Phah ka jongki hang tu yaki tu kinong pungkul mar snong kinong ra yang rang ra yu kam de kila pungkenya ka section life act jong ka GHDC ka ong long ban pungkul mar snong la de pikran pat ya ka Meghalaya police act ru arajar kadwe ka banyo ko ong kumno kaba 61-63 ong ba wadji kilong kemiru lada ki VDP ki lej ban siem ki haban khot kilong kemi dan ri kini pat mantu kasi balai la amis handle do sendang tab ngin peje kai ka jing haba kila violet na dong sendang VDP umdai ban access ya more than 15 kat kum ka condition re hang tu kita hato ki deki VDP hato kumdai ki kena mende hati mende ki kena jalapen ngang de traditional mate hato ngam tip ki au arhajar san ngang la long presiden jong clear resolution hapor banganang Donbok we kaseng itip sai ba hang tai kumno bad jigitu hi ki ba kersan ya kata kila de sakta kila sakta de kaspa ka pho balai ba kinut ki brio ban wan terba de kaspa de ka pho kat yo presiden jong Hito kat ginong yalam jong Hito ti kita ilikan dan cing yo ka bas ngong falar wat gitu ki ba support hang to pimut kitip mo ya ka ai ka to ka mining ba kira itu plaka hang to kita wi support nanti gitu ki pet ba kem banai ai kem tip hira kata kaan ke yo tang boong tarong ba snong leg namar ba belai nila sakhi kila wan ki pet ba kira batai bangi hang ni ka syong rong snong kin penduk ni kita henry barok khat ki kandan hi mentu ka sngi da pi ong ga district administration ro kala pengkanyai da pi ong Ïakhih rang ba snong yi nong song snong ba di VDP ro barok khat kala pengkanya ka ai dari lara ka an kam trikam ni sapet pa ki wat kilenti man pembor ya ki da kawai pat kaliang da kumba ki sentho ni haban keren ta ki da kata kawai kaliang kana kaliang ka jungi kam danjing ya kita ki mau juntot ya ka zat buntia wat ko government ro ko sedon ni teng kong ngim le henry hakajing ya kon we tu haban pendam barok arberti to ko kamla ban kloj namar yo sumi su khokslot kek hakajing ya kon unong job unong rem undan ding pangitan
Mamta penyalip anak.
yang mentahi ba kai ka ba nilamut la tmu la yat be kaya nanti te yang mentahi tengin yat sala yang sala samno jong la sno sao tengin si kendo pat ngin pemena pat ning ba kilat ki patai ko bar ni ai ko blai ru ya piki pat patai ko bar ko ba ra ya kan ka sur jong ki basa suppress kita kata freedom of speech sa barok ka bri nyok tra barok ka india ki jong disebut